and I just started with them this week. It's their first class, and also they are really smart students, I think. And let's see. Next month, I'm going to give you a SASMO type test. At the time, I will see their levels. Right now, I just started teaching them, and we will see how it goes. Okay. So, guys, if you are ready, let's start. Once again, my suggestion is, if possible, keep your camera on. If you don't want, it's fine. But if you keep it on, it's good for me. At least I can see. Oh, there's a sunshine here, Ibrahim. Good to see you here. Okay. All right. Guys, we were talking about perimeter and area of simple geometric figures. Last time we did a few examples. We are going to do some more examples today. And let's see. Maybe I'll try to finish this. And if we can finish this chapter, and next week we will do some revision. Revision is about, and what is it? About the last 10 chapters. And not chapters, that's HASMO type questions. And after that, we have chapter 9 and chapter 10. After that, you will have revision test. Okay, guys, let's continue. We were talking about parallelogram, right? The area of the parallelogram, and after the trapezium. And also here we proved why the formula of the area of trapezium is this. And we did these two examples, and we stopped here. And let's continue from here. Ibrahim, do you hear me well? Is my voice clear for you?
Yes.
How much clear? 60%, 70, 80, 90, 100?
100.
Wow, that's cool. So you have very good connection today.
Yes, all day my connection is good, but sometimes.
Really? Is it 5G or 6G?
Yes. I don't know.
You don't know? Is it Wi-Fi?
I think 3.
3?
No, 4.
4. Okay, 4 is good. I think we will start having 5 soon, I think. All right, guys, let's continue then. Okay, so area of a parallelogram and a trapezium. So find the value of x in each of the following figures. Now in Cambodia and Phnom Penh, we have unusual rain. Usually it doesn't rain in December, January, February, March, April, but now it's raining a lot. Outside, of course. Okay, here, let's continue with A. So this is a parallelogram. As you see here, we have a height drawn to the side AD. So AD is the base, and this height is 8 centimeters, right? What is the question here? The question is, we need to find the value of x. What is x? It is the height from B to DC, right? Or it's a distance between the sides DC or CD and the AB. Okay, Salim, just tell me the idea. How do we solve this problem? Celine, are you there? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, Celine. I was expecting you to do this. Guys, here to solve this question, we know that the area of the parallelogram is equal to base times height. But here, as you see, AD is the base, and height to the base AD is BK, right? And also BH is height to the side DC. Okay, so from this relationship, because in two different ways, now here we can find the area of the parallelogram, right? Because we know that parallel sides are equal. So that means that parallelogram has two different heights. One is one to the one base, another one is to another side. So if you substitute here, what is AD? AD is given, that's equal to 6. What is BK? Also we know BK, that's equal to 8. On the right hand side, AB, that's equal to 9, and BH, that's equal to X. That's what we have to find. And this relationship is very simple idea, but very important. In a lot of problems, we have to use this idea. What is that idea? For example, if you're talking about a triangle, for example, in many different ways, we can find the area of the triangle, right? Triangle. So from here, X is equal to 6 times 8. It is 48 over and divide by 9. So if you simplify this by 3, it is 16. By 3, it is 3. So dot, dot, dot. Here, the value of X is 5 and 1 over 3. And how about in question B? In question B, the trapezium, right, area is given. First, we need to write the area formula. What is area formula? The sum of the parallel sides over 2 times height. So the sum of the parallel sides, that is X plus 10, right? AD is parallel to BC over 2 times height. What is the height? It is 6. And we know that the area is given, it is 72. So on the right hand side, we have 72. That is our equation. Guys, we have already studied how to solve equations, right? It must be piece of cake for us. First, let's simplify this. X plus 10 and 6 over 2, that's equal to 3. Let me just write here. And on the right hand side, we have 72. I can write 72 as 3 times 24, right? So this 3, they cancel out each other. So from here, X plus 10 is equal to 24. So dot, dot, dot, X is equal to 14, because 14 plus 10 is equal to 24. Alekbar, is it clear?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Guys, this question is for you. Ibrahim, Alekbar, Selin, Adil Han. I will give you 2 minutes, okay? Look at the question and solve it and just tell me the answer. All right. Let's start. You have 2 minutes. Okay, time. Ibrahim, any answer?
No, no.
No. Alekbar,
Wait 1 minute.
Selin?
got something, but I don't think it's correct.
Sana, say again. What did you say?
I got the answer, but I don't think it's correct.
What is your answer? Just tell me the answer.
24.
What is it?
No, 224 minus 24, it will be 200.
100.
200 is my answer. No, 200.
200. Okay. Adilhan?
I didn't finish.
Okay. Guys, let's do this. How many different, it says that find the total area of the shaded region, right? How many regions do we have here? 3. This one is 1. This one is 2. This one is 3. Okay. So that we need to find the total area. What is the total area? A plus B plus C. So what is A? Al-Akbar. Is it a parallelogram?
Yes.
Yes, right? It is a parallelogram. So parallelogram, what is a base? Base equals 3, because as you see here, this one is 3. This double prime mark means that all these lengths are equal. So what is the area of the parallelogram? It is base times height. So here, as you see, height is also given. It is 8. What is the height? It's the distance between the parallel sides, right? So from here, what is A? A is 3 times 8. And how about B? The base is 3 and the height is again, it is 8. It is 3 times 8. And how about the third one? Also, it is base times height. What is the height? Again, it is 8. It is 3 times 8. So 3 times 8, 3 times 8, 3 times 8, that's equal to 9 times 8, which is equal to 72 cm squared. Okay, Celine, is it clear?
Yes.
Good. Now let's continue. Another question. Let's do this together and I will ask you some different questions. This is also a little bit challenging question. In the figure, ABCD is a rectangle of length 24 centimeters. Okay, and width or breadth 16 centimeters. Given that CQ, as you see here, where is CQ? We are talking about this CQ, right? CQ is equal to, okay, CQ is equal to PB is equal to half PQ, right? Half of PQ. So calculate the area of the trapezium PQRS. This is a little bit challenging question. That's why let's do it together. Okay. So now to do this one, okay. Here, CQ equals PB equals PQ, half of PQ. What does it mean? If I just divide this PQ into 2 halves, and here, let me draw a line, okay, from the middle of the rectangle. Now we have a line here, okay? So now what we have here, this equals this equals this equals this, right, Adilhan? Is it clear?
Yes.
Because as see here, this CQ, if I just choose this as X, for example, PB also X, this PQ must be 2X, right? Because half of 2X is equal to X. And what is the length of AD or BC? That's equal to 16. So that means that each one is equal to 4 here. This one is 4, this one is 4, this one is 4, this one is 4. Okay, very good. So now also actually that is the midpoint of the diagonal. Okay, now if I just draw another line from here and another line from here, okay, another line from here. All right. Now, as you see here, now we have just partitioned the rectangle, right, into 8 equal regions, right? If this one is, let's say, this region is A, the area of this region is A, also this one is A, also this one is A, also this one is A, also this one is A, also this one is A, also this one is A, also this one is A. All right, by A, I mean this rectangle. All right. And the second one here, we mean this rectangle. Okay. So now, what is the area of the rectangle? It is length times width. The total area of the rectangle equals 16, its width times length. It is 24. Let me just not multiply this. Here, that's equal to how many 8s do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So that's equal to 8 times A. So from here, I can get the value of A. What is A? 16 times 24 over 8 equals 16 is divided by 8. That's equal to 2. Here we have 24. That's equal to 48. Salin, is it clear? Did you understand what I did here?
Kinda.
Kind of?
Yes.
Adilhan, how about you? Did you understand 100%?
Yes.
Okay, good. So guys, now 1A is equal to 48. Okay, so now we need to find the shaded region, right? So let me just change the color. And Ibrahim, this question is for you. Do you think that this empty region, let me just shade it with reds, and this one, are they equal or not?
No.
They are equal. You know why?
Why?
Maybe in the picture it doesn't look equal because this one is center, right? We just divided this breadth into 4 equal size. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So that means that if you look at these triangles, this side is equal to this side, right? And also, how about this side equal this side? And because of this angles, right? And also this length is equal to this length, right? Because here this breadth 1, 2, 3, 4, it is divided into 4 equal parts. That's why also let me just change the color, show this. And also diagonal, this one, number 1, and number 2, and number 3, and number 4. All of these line segments are equal to each other. Why? Because of this side. Okay, so that means that also this length is equal to this length, and this one is equal to this one. That means that these two triangles are exactly the same. So that means that if I just cut the shaded part and the patch into here, or just put it here, now actually the area of the trapezium will be equal to this rectangle. So what is the area of the trapezium? Let's say shaded region. It's just equal to 3 times A, which is equal to 3 times 48. That's equal to 144 cm squared. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I have some different ways I can show you, but that is the best way. Maybe from drawing, you may say that, oh, it doesn't look the same. But if you just put the ruler, guys, and draw it on the notebook, you will see that that is the right solution. Anyway, let's do the next question. Adilhan, can you read example 13?
The diagram shows a trapezium ABCD with AD slash BC.
AD is parallel to BC, right?
POD is the diameter of the semicircle with center O. And given that AB equals 21 centimeters, BC equals 34 centimeters, AP equals 5 centimeters, and PD equals 18 centimeters. Calculate the area of the shaded region. Take pi equals 3.142 and give your answer correct to 2 decimal places.
Okay, Adilhan, thank you. It's raining a lot, so I just closed the windows. Okay, good. Now it is much better. You know, in Cambodia or here, Malaysia, Singapore, Bangkok, Myanmar, if you come here, when it rains a lot. It rains, and after like 20-30 minutes, you just go out and the water will be like maybe knee high. You know, sometimes you may watch this, you might watch this on news. It's like, it's a lot, it rains a lot. Maybe you have never seen this in Azerbaijan. But here, when it rains, it is huge. You will see the river outside in the streets. But when it stops raining, after maybe like 1 hour, everywhere will be dry again. That is very different climate here. Guys, let's continue. Adilhan, did you understand the question?
Yes.
So can you tell me the one idea, how would you solve this question, for example? What method would you use? Just tell me the idea. How would you find the area of the shaded region?
Like first we need to find area of whole trapezium.
Very good.
And after that, we need to find area of semicircle, and then
Subtract it, right?
yes.
Very good. Very good. That is correct. So because as if you have a piece of paper in trapezium shape, right? You're just cutting off some piece that is semicircular shape. Now, if the question is, what is the area of the remaining piece? That means that we need to find the area of the original figure and minus which part actually we just cut off. That's semicircular part, right? So first step, let's find the area of the trapezium. What is it? It is the sum of the parallel sides. As you see here, the longer side is 34 plus, how about the shorter side? It is 5 plus 18, right? So this side is 5 plus 18, that's equal to 23 until here. So that is 23 over 2 times height. What is the height of the trapezium? That's equal to 21, which is equal to 34 plus 23. 34 plus 23, that's equal to 57, and multiplies it by 21 and divide by 2. That's equal to, what is it? Let me just write the answer, 1197 over 2. Okay, maybe in what is it, mixed number, I can just write it as 598 598 and a half. Okay, cm squared. Number 2, how about the area of the semicircle? Let's say just semicircle. That is equal to, it is 1 over 2 times pi r squared, right? Because pi r squared is the area of a circle. Here we are talking about a semicircle. That's why we should divide it by 2. 1 over 2 times, what is r? R equals 9, right? So pi is 3.142 times r is 9 squared. So that's equal to, let me just write here, it is 81 times pi, and 81 times pi, and we should divide it by 2. So the answer is correct, the 2 decimal places, that is 127.23. 23, 2 decimal places. So now we need to find the area of the shaded region. So the area of the shaded region is the area of the trapezium minus area of the semicircle. That's equal to 598.5 minus 127.23, which is equal to minus 598.5, that's equal to 471.27 cm squared. Okay, so dot dot dot, the area of the shaded region is 471.27 cm squared. Okay guys, sometimes if the numbers are very complicated, especially if it involves pi, you should use a calculator so that you can get the answer much faster, because here we are learning the method, not calculation. Celine, is everything okay?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, Celine, can you read this quote and give some comment on this, and we will finish the class.
Okay.
Not class, actually, this part.
It is a part of the human nature always to judge others when severely, and when the wind turns against us, always to find an excuse for our own misdeeds,
Misdeeds.
or to blame someone else for your mistakes.
Do you agree with this? Did you understand?
Actually, like, yes, many people can judge something or someone, and then, like, I don't know how to explain. For
Because when other
instance-
people make mistakes, it is so easy, right? For example, you know,
Yes, but what-
once a teacher wrote some stuff, for example, let's say 1 times 2 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And 2 times 4 is equal to 8. 2 times 5 is equal to 11. 2 times 6 equals 12. And 2 times 7 is equal to 14. Right, Adilhan? Is it right?
2 by 5 will be 10.
Yes.
No.
2 times 5 is 10?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, very good. That is the quote, I think, is about this, you know. Here, how many questions we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? And 7 of them are correct. Only one is wrong. This one is wrong, right? Here, as you see here, our attention is on the mistake, not on other 7 of them, 7 lines. It is something like this. When people do right things, correct things, okay, when they don't make mistakes, we do not know. Maybe we know, but most of the time, we do not appreciate it, right? When just they make only one mistake, we just close our eyes to their good deeds, right? And good behavior and the polite behavior, and we just only see their mistakes and misdeeds, and after that we just start to blame those people. Oh, are you stupid? Why did you make a mistake? And blah blah blah. Maybe that person has a lot of good deeds, all right? And how about us? Just example, for example, let's say Ibrahim, okay, he just comes and participating in this class, but let's say he's not doing his homework and he's not participating in the test, and he goes to SASMO, for example. Let's say if he gets very good score, and what will he say to his parents? Oh, parent, did you see that I studied very well, I get good score? Now everything is the same. How about if he gets not something that he expected? Oh, because of Mr. Qasim, actually he tried, but he doesn't know how to teach, and it's easily we can blame others, right? We don't say that, oh, actually I was supposed to do my homework, I was supposed to solve more problems, I was supposed to put more effort, right? And that's why, because actually I didn't work hard enough, that's why I didn't get expected achievements. It is something like this. Anyway, guys, these are just ideas. Somebody's writing, let me just listen. And yes, I like, but 2 times 5 is 10. On purpose I made that mistake. Okay, guys, let's continue. Now we saw some other questions from review questions and finish the class. Not finish the class, again I'm saying finish. We will continue with some other stuff. Okay. All right, Ibrahim, Adilhan, İlknur, Selin, do you have a piece of paper on your table?
Yes.
Okay, guys, now I'm going to ask a question, okay? If possible, keep a calculator for chapter 8, chapter 9, and chapter 10, maybe some parts, you will need a calculator, okay? You have to do some questions using a calculator. So, guys, if you have calculator, I am going to ask this question for you. You have 6 minutes to solve this question, okay? And if you have the answer, Just keep it. I will ask you right after 6 minutes. Do it and just tell me the answer. I will just write down your answers. After that, we will solve this question together. If you are ready, read the question and do it. You have 6 minutes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Alekbar, are you there?
Yes.
Why? I can't see your name.
I don't know.
I see, because of here. İlknur, are you solving?
Yes, I am.
Do you understand the question?
Yes, I did.
Very good, very good. Celine, did you get the answer?
Not yet.
Okay, 1 minute left.
I found it.
Okay, tell me the answer. What's your name? İlknur?
İlknur, I wrote it in the chat.
Okay, let me check. İlknur, 135.752. Okay, let's wait for others. 1 second. Okay, Alekber, you got any answer?
No,
Adilhan?
but I understand and read.
I
Okay.
didn't finish.
Okay. Celine?
I didn't finish yet.
Okay. Ibrahim?
I didn't find.
Okay. Guys, now let's solve it together because waiting too long, I don't think it's a good idea. If you got the answer, let's see your answer is correct or not. Again, the idea, as I say, very simple. Now, if you just suppose that this circular, semicircular part is not cut out, right, or cut off, and also this parallelogram is not cut off, at the time this shape becomes, what is it? A trapezium, right? So just if we need to find the area of the trapezium minus area of this semicircle minus area of the trapezium, it gives us the area of the shaded region. So what is the area of the shaded region then? Area of the shaded region equals the area of the trapezium. The parallel sides, it is 18 plus 25 over 2 times. And what is the height? As you see here, the height is from A to B, right? 90 degrees. So that's equal to 14. That's equal to 7 times 25 plus 18. That's equal to 43. And okay. 7 times 43. What is 7 times 43? 7 times 4, 280. 7 times 3, it is 1. 280 plus 21, it is 301 cm squared. Guys, if I make any, how to say, technical mistake, let me know. It is 301. So that's a shaded region. Sorry. It is the area of the trapezium, right? A, B, C, D. That is area of A, B, C, D. Okay. Let's say this one is the area of the trapezium. All right. So now, how about the area of the semicircle? That's equal to 1 over 2 times pi times r squared, right? And 1 over 2 is pi. We know that actually that is very close to 22 over 7. Let me just take 22 over 7 for pi. And what is r? R equals 7 squared because diameter is 14, right? From here, that means r is equal to 7. The radius of the circle is 7. So that's equal to 22 is divided by 2. That's equal to 11. And 7 times 7 over 7, that's equal to 7. So that's equal to 77 cm squared. Now, next thing is, how about the area of the parallelogram? So the area of the parallelogram, as you see here, this one is 6, right? And this side is 7.83. Okay, right now I don't need it. So what I need here is, okay, HK, right? HK is 6, and H is a midpoint. Here it says that H is the midpoint of CD. So midpoint means we know that from D to here, that's equal to 14. From K to the base PC, it should be equal to 7. Also until here, it is 7 because h is the midpoint. So from here, that's equal to 7 times height. And how about the base? Base is equal to 6. So that's equal to 6. So that's equal to 42, right? So now, actually, that's the first part. The area of the shaded region is equal to the area of the trapezium, which is 301 minus area of the semicircle, that is 77, minus area of the parallelogram, that is 42, which is equal to 301 minus 77 minus 42, that's equal to 182 cm squared. Okay. Ilknur, any objection? Did we make any mistake here?
No, I calculated it wrong, and I didn't realize it was a semicircle.
You calculated what?
I calculated it wrong.
You calculated what? Say again.
It was wrong. My calculation was wrong.
Okay. But did you see your mistake?
Yes, I did. I didn't realize this. It was a semicircle.
Very good. All right. If you saw your mistake, very good. Not seeing your mistake, it's a big mistake. If you see your mistake, that means it's an improvement. Anyway, guys, it says that the area of the shaded region, right? That is the first part of the question. Actually, we were supposed to find first perimeter. Now we need to find the perimeter. Now let's find the perimeter. What is the perimeter? And Ibrahim, Al-Akbar, Adilhan, Ilknur, and Salin, can you calculate
Yes.
the perimeter? Okay, perimeter. So you have 3 minutes. Can you calculate the perimeter of the shaded region? Let's see who calculates correctly. It is 3 minutes. Start. Forty seconds. Okay. Al-Akbar 118. Al-Akbar 118 or 120. Al-Akbar, your answer 118. Ilknur 120. Okay, let's see. 20 more seconds. Guys, time. Any other answers? Ibrahim? Ibrahim 119. Selin? Okay. Adilhan?
I'm finishing.
Okay. Guys, İlknur, what is a perimeter? Guess, can you tell me the definition? What is a perimeter? Hello?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, what is a perimeter? Okay, guys, perimeter, now we know that if you're talking about some two-dimensional figure, right? Maybe triangle, rectangle, trapezium, or any non-regular shape, geometric shape, perimeter is the length of boundary, right? That is how we define a perimeter. Perimeter is the length of boundary. As you see, the shaded region, it is bounded by, okay, let me just see. I got 133. Okay, guys, let's see whose answer is correct. So, okay, who else? Adilhan 23. Adilhan 23?
Yes, I don't know why, but I got 23.
How come it can be 23, Adilhan? Just only this 18 plus 25 is more than 40. Anyway, guys, as you see here, this shaded region is bounded by the semicircle and the side AB and DH and HK and KP and PB, as I just have written there at the top. And we know that this semicircle, right? What is the length of this semicircle? That is equal to 1/2 times circumference. That's equal to 1/2 times 2 times pi times r. And 2 cancels each other. What is pi? 22/7. And what is r? Is equal to 7. That's equal to 22. So the length of this semicircle is 22. So starting from there, 22 plus, here we have 18 plus, how about DH? DH is, what is DH?
Can I say?
Did we find DH?
DH?
Yes.
7.83.
DH, is it given? No, right?
7 point.
Yeah, they are equal, right? It is equal, so it is
7.83.
7.83. Very good.
18.3.
Is 7.83 plus an HK, it is 6 plus KP, again it is 7.83 plus, and here we have one left, 25, which is equal to, let's simplify this, 22 plus 18, it is 40, 40 plus 25, it is 65, 65 plus 6, it is 71, plus 7.83, 7.83, it is 15, 16 point, what is it? Let me just write here. That is 71 plus 2 times 7.83. That's equal to 86.66. So dot, the perimeter of the shaded region is 86.66 cm. Guys, why actually none of your answer is correct? Did we make any mistake? Ilknur, do you have any objection? Did you solve it correctly?
No, I didn't.
No,
I didn't.
Is our solution correct here? Do you agree
Yes,
with the
it is.
answer?
Yes, I agree with the answer. My answer was incorrect.
Okay. Alekbar, how about you?
My answer is not correct, and I understand it.
Good. All right. Good. Okay, guys. Anyway, let's continue. Another example for you. Now, guys, try this. Okay, the diagram shows 3 semicircles. As you see, the diameter of the smallest semicircle is 2x, as you see in the picture, and that of the medium semicircle is 4x centimeters. And AC is the diameter of the largest semicircle. Find the perimeter, number 1. Find the perimeter. And let me just write here P. Okay, P means perimeter. Oops. Perimeter. And number 2, find the area of the shaded region. Okay, 2 questions. Guys, first, let's focus on the perimeter, okay? Let's find the perimeter. Everybody find the perimeter and tell me the answer. You have 3 minutes. And after that, we will talk about the shaded region. Start. Perimeter of the shaded region. So it says that leave your answer in terms of x and the pi. Forty seconds left.
Can you please give 1 more minute?
1 more minute. Okay. Just for perimeter?
I saw we're finding the area.
You're also finding the area.
I thought we're finding the area or
Your perimeter first. Did you find the perimeter of the shaded region?
no. I'm finding the area and I'm on the last step.
Okay, good. Guys, can we just do together one perimeter and you will do the area yourself, okay? Because we have only 2 minutes left. I have another class after 2 minutes, so I have to finish this. So the perimeter, as you see here, what is a perimeter? Perimeter is this, right? Plus this, plus this. So here we have 3 semicircles. Let's say that is C1 plus C2 plus C3. And what is the length of the first one? As you see here, the total length is 6x. That means that the radius of the big circle is, what is it? 3x. So what is the circumference? It's 1/2 times, actually, let me just write. We know the circumference is equal to pi times d, right? I will use this because diameter is 2r, 2 pi r, the same thing. So it is a semicircle. So that's why it is 1/2 times pi times diameter of the big one. What is the diameter of the big one? It is 6x. 6x. Plus the second one is 1/2 times pi. The diameter of the second one, the medium one, it is 4x. So here we have 4x. And 1/2 times pi times the third one, the smallest one, the diameter is 2x. So that's equal to 6/2, it is 3. So here we have 3 pi x. And here we have 4/2, it is 2 pi x. The last one is just pi x. How many pi's? 3. And here we have 2. Here we have 1. So that's equal to 6 pi x. Dot, dot, dot. Perimeter of the shaded region is 6 pi x. It says answer your question in terms of x and pi. Guys, now I have to finish this class, okay? Al-Akbar, Ibrahim, Adilhan, Ilknur, Salim. Now, maybe after a few minutes, okay? I will drop some questions about this kind of questions. Please practice, okay? As I told you, some equations, you can solve them. But geometric questions, it is not that much easy. Without practicing, you cannot improve, okay? So you have to practice those questions until next class. Again, we will solve more questions about geometry, okay? And after that also, we will do some revision. Guys, thank you very much. If you have any question anytime, you can just drop in our WhatsApp group, okay? We will discuss
Also,
later.
can I was asking for some algebra questions.
Okay, Ilknur,
Okay,
I will send you. Ilknur, just remind me one more time in WhatsApp. I will send you, okay?
okay, I'll remind.
Okay, thank you very much. Guys, see you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.